you have found your seat, please step into your row to allow those behind you to pass. For a form of payment, the United app to make onboard purchase after mileage plus miles. United mileage plus change card member, use your card to get 25% back on inside purchases. We have also adjusted in the heavy cab. Forward slash snack time to learn about how you can save your credit card before or prefer not to sit in the exit row. Please let the bartender know.
Hello.
4 minutes from takeoff to touchdown, and we do have a little bit of a bumpy ride going into Denver. Imagine that's kind of normal. On that note, please honor our seatbelt sign. That's for your safety and those around you. Remember, our fantastic flight attendants are with us for your comfort and safety. Where I come from, jet noise is the sound of freedom. Today's Independence Day. Let's get out of here, out of San Francisco, and make some of that jet noise together.
Yeah. And up front we have Captain Dooley. He informs us that our flight time will be 2 hours and 4 minutes. I'm happy to welcome you on board our flight. Thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute and pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you are a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different.
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tag the balloon the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tied across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened, even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You'll also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. One is located in a ceiling compartment in the forward cabin. One is in an overhead bin in the forward cabin. And 2 are in ceiling compartments after the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames of the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If
you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you've reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
Safety checks if you have any shade for taxi and takeoff. Thank you again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we are in the air. Flight attendant, please complete final safety checks and be seated.
It can feel a little out of your hands, but what if, instead of being stuck in line, the United app could help you just skip it? Looking for your gate? What if a map could take you right there? And instead of wondering about your checked bag, what if you could just follow along? So yeah, turns out a better travel experience is in your hands with the world's most downloaded airline app.
Different type of traveler. We seek adventure and 2 times the miles on United purchases. We hunger for new flavors and 2 times the miles on dining and hotel stays. We carry a sense of adventure in a free checked bag. We are the explorers. Join us.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Welcome to Denver, where the local time is approximately 5:32 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you are sitting exit row, please unplug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your personal belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you enjoy your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the airplane is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Thank you.